back to our St. Thomas video classes. Today let's start Unit 5 Activity 8, 9, 10. We have seen in Activity 5 and 6. When the smart bell is pressed, it waits 10 seconds to see if the home owner answers. If no one answers, the smart bell dials the owner's mobile phone directly. And the owner can answer the phone and talk to the visitor standing at the front door. So, the smart bell has a built-in SIM card. Smart bell sound like the owner is inside the house talking on an intercom. The white noise doesn't sound like a mobile phone. So the visitor cannot tell the owner is not at home. And they save from the burglar. In this case, the burglar will not know the house is empty. Lawrence drew designs to show his idea in his school contest for student inventions. A family friend helped to send this design to China. We see now in activity 7 and 8. To a company that makes working models from designs. Less than 12 months, the model was built and several other big companies got ready to sell Smart Bell. A British schoolboy of 13 will earn up to 20.5 lakh for his innovative invention. We seen. So बच्चे, let's start our next activity 8. Lawrence had to draw the design for his invention before the company in China could make it. He wanted to prepare his own design before the China company make it. Inventors often draw their designs to show how their idea will work. Read the article very carefully to find out all the things that Smart Bell does. They also want to mention the ideas, how it works. How many things does Smart Bell do? How many things? In our activity 6 and 7 we seen. Thus first they pressed, then inside the smart bell keep out the voice of human being, owners, do you know? Then they directly send messages to owner and owner directly dial to the visitors. This way, think about all the parts that smart bell must have to work. How many parts do you think it needs? How would the parts be connected? Work in a pair or group to draw a possible design for smart bell, showing all the parts needed to make it. And label your drawing and write a few sentences to explain how it works. So, बच्चे, you have to draw the smart bell. And how many parts in this smart bell? Which things do you need? Okay. So here they given space. You draw here. Okay, बच्चे, label it. And Lawrence had to draw the design for his invention before the company in China could make it. Inventors often draw their designs to show how their idea will work. So, think about all the steps that smart bell must have to work. Smart bell must have to work in about 6 steps. You have to label it and write down in your notebook. Receiving operating signal when the bell switch is pressed. Many times we getting light also. Now getting no LED lights. This way. waiting for 10 seconds, not doing any function. After 10 seconds, dialing the owner of the house, creating white noise simultaneously, making the owner of the house talk with the visitor at the front door, creating sound like that of intercom. We getting music when we press the doorbell, smart bell. Listen now, bache, in your home also. Okay. Here I given some designs. So you have to draw from this any which one you like. Okay, bache. So here first one smart bell from mobile phone. This from brass. Okay, bache. Next, this smart security starts at the front door. Ring video. Next one. And do you know it's first generation and 720 pixel HD video motion. This Wipro from Wipro company smart doorbell. You can see in your mobile also who visit your house. So here I mentioned 3-4 pictures for your information. So draw from these. Okay, bache, understand about this smart bell? Okay. Now let's start activity 9. Okay. Not all inventions are machines or medical miracles. Did you know that Shakespeare, the author of many famous plays, I also studied in graduation, BCom, full 6 tales of Shakespeare. Read bache, whenever you get time, you read all these Shakespeare's novels. Okay, tales. The author of many famous plays such as Romeo and Juliet also invented many words that we still use today. Look carefully at these words that Shakespeare invented. What do the words have in common? How do you think Shakespeare thought of them? Okay, bache. So, we seen activity 9, activity 10. I send with PDF. Invent a new word by putting two simpler words together into one. Be creative in inventing the meaning for your new words. So, bache, I hope, do you like this story of Smart Bell? Okay. Bache, take care, stay home, stay safe.